everyone, welcome back. It's gonna be such a very exciting day for me because finally I was able to find the barn door that I really love, which I got from Habitat for Humanity. So I really wanted to find a barn door that will separate the bedroom and the master's bathroom. But the problem is that I have a very high casing, which is so hard to find the appropriate size door for this opening. So that means I have to customize everything. And you know how it is when you customize things, it's going to be so expensive. So for the kind of person or for the frugal person that I am, I won't budge in for such an expenses and I will just be willing to wait and find a good deal. So finally, we were able to find this barn door from Habitat for Humanity. And I'm glad I have my tape measure with me, so I have to measure it multiple times. And it is the perfect size that I'm looking for. Plus, I only got this for a fraction of the price. Okay, so when you do a project in your home, you have to consider every little detail thing that comes with that project. And for me, it's this door, which I wanted to add some hardwares on it. So when I'm choosing my hardware, I want to make sure they don't compete with each other. So for this one, I chose a black doorknob, very simple one. And this is the original plan that I wanted to place on this door. But that is pretty as well. But when I was searching on the internet, I was able to I saw this plain door handle, very heavy. It's made out of steel and powdered coating, which is perfect as well because the shower room creates moisture. So with the powdered coating, it prevents the steel from creating rust. That's why I chose this one as well. So this one is pretty too. So I have a decision to make. I have to sit on it, try to keep on looking on both this item and this one and see what I'm going to be leaning towards on. Another one is a door glider that's going to go on the bottom of this door. And they have so many selections for the door glider. The door glider is the one that will help for the door to prevent from swinging and helps glide smoothly. So they have this roller glider that comes with it. But since this door opening is going to go through this wall where the door or the main entrance coming into the bedroom is, I don't want anybody tripping on that roller thing because it's kind of like extending out on the wall. And again, I bought 2 different types of hardware, which all of this hardware I got from Amazon. And I chose the type of finishing that has the same on the doorknob, which is the matte rustic finishing. It's nice to have an option because sometimes they're totally different when you see them on the picture and then when you actually get the item. So as you can see, they're 2 different sizes, but I'm leaning towards the taller one. Another thing to consider is the railings. So I ordered another one as well. This is the simplest one I saw on the online, but I did bought 2 different kind. It's almost the same structure, but in a different way. So this hardware is more of the rustic type where the screws or bolts are going to be facing on the front door. So the other hardware that I got almost has the same structure, but it just so happened that it just have the bracket on the very bottom where you screw or bolt it on the very top of the door. So this hardware or the other hardware has more cleaner look. So I'm just waiting for that to arrive and I need to make a decision before the guy that I hired to hang this barn door. I can do it. I feel like I can do it, but it's been 8 long years that I've waited for this door and I don't want to mess it up. So I hired a professional just to hang this door for me. since I'm not sure, and plus this door is gonna be placed between the bathroom and the bedroom, I want to make sure that this door is gonna be protected against the moisture that will cause the door or the wood to rot and split over time, as well as protect it from any scratches. And I will be sealing this with my water-based polyurethane by Bher, which is in clear matte finish, and will be sealing this door with 2 coats. And also I will be using a special roller that is used for cabinets and door, just to have a nice smooth finishing for the sealant. But for the side and the detailed lines for this door, I will just be using my paintbrush. And while I'm waiting for the door to dry, I will be sanding this poplar wood with my 220 grit sandpaper. I bought this wood from Lowe's, and it's gonna serve as a backer board to support my metal railings. And after sanding, I will be priming this with my Sensor 123 primer. After the barn door is in place, there are still few steps that needs to be done, such as using my wood filler to cover the nails. Once it dries up, this pink color will turn into white, and then after that I will be sanding this backer board in order to have a smooth finishing. I wish I could have shown the process of how this barn door was put in place, but in respect to the privacy of the person, I was not able to do that. I wanted to be part in the process of these barn doors, but since I know my limitation and not brave enough to hang these doors, I told the guy that I will do the finishing for him. And after sanding, the next and final step, I will be doing a touch-up by using my Bher Premium Plus paint, which is in Antuque white eggshell that I bought from Home Depot, which is the same paint that I used earlier after priming. And also I will be using my small bristle brush for the touch-up. Okay everyone, so now that this door is done, I can finally proceed to other projects that I need to do to update my master's bathroom. I am still in awe and also kind of speechless that finally I got the door that I really love and wanted for such a very long time. And because we got this for a fraction of a price, I was able to hire a professional to hang this for us. And now I do believe on the saying that patience is a virtue. And true enough, I waited for 8 long years, plus I got it for a good price. I know guys that this video is all about just this door, but I just wanted to show you guys that there's so many things involved in regards to this barn door. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you again next time. Please share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you get to be notified whenever I post some videos here on my YouTube channel. Again, I'll see you again next time for the rest of the updates for my master's bathroom. And thank you for watching. Bye!